Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lutfia. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing. If you're returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. On today's video, I'll be showing you my DIY face mask. Face mask is very good for people who have acne prone skin and oily skin. Without further ado, let's get into the video. These are all the things that we're going to be using. We're going to be using some honey, some cinnamon. Either buy cinnamon powder or just grind some cinnamon sticks. You're gonna need a teaspoon and a tablespoon, a bowl for mixing everything. Into a bowl, you want to mix 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey has antibacterial properties that can kill bacteria. It's very moisturizing and prevents dryness. It fights against acne. To the honey, you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon has estrogen property which makes your skin smooth and soft and makes your overall complexion even. You want to make sure you mix the 2 ingredients together to form a paste. Mine was a little bit too thick, so I had to add just a little bit of water. This is how my mixture is looking like. I'm going to show you how I use it. To a clean face, you want to apply this mixture in a circular motion all over your face. Leave this mixture on for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off and pat dry. My skin was squeaky clean, moisturized and very soft. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.